Today we are in the north side of Jacksonville. We're at Avalon Place. It's a beautiful townhome community by DR Horton. And I'm gonna get right to the point. What do they always say about great real estate? Location, location, location. Well, I'm here to tell you this place has a fantastic location, particularly if you're a military buyer, being Navy or Coast Guard. I'll tell you why. We're gonna put up map shots so you can see, but this is 30 minutes from Kings Bay Navy Station up in Georgia. It's 30 minutes from, I meant to say Naval Station, 30 minutes from Mayport Naval Station, and it's 30 minutes from Naval Air Station Jacksonville. Now, if you want to go to the beaches, it's only 30 minutes from Huguenot Park. If you want some primo shopping nearby, it's only 5 minutes from River City Marketplace. And if you occasionally travel to the Jacksonville International Airport and you want to live not too far from that, you're not even 15 minutes from Jacksonville International Airport. So further to this, they are offering a 5.5% fixed rate finance option on an FHA loan right now. They're also offering $10,000 towards your closing costs. You can take part of that money and use it towards a rate buy down instead, or towards your closing costs. The minimum money down that they will require is 3.5% of the purchase price, and that is for an FHA loan. If you're a VA buyer and you want to do something similar, of course, VA can buy no money down, but you know, they can work that out with you as well. Just talk to me. I can get us in touch with the site agent and DR Horton, and we can get that all worked out. But you're going to want to stick around because I'm going to walk you through one of these Greyson models behind me here. This is a quick move in, so you could buy now, move in now. You're going to want to stick around because we're getting after it right now. Okay, I wanted to show you the backs of these because you know, you do have a patio, you do have a fence dividing you from your neighbor's property there. But look, between the buildings, you have quite a lot of space. So, you know, that's kind of unusual for a townhome community, so I wanted you to make note of that. Another thing I wanted you to make note of is, you see those back across the way over there, and those tall trees? Those are actually available on preserved lots. So they do have some homes in here, townhomes, that are available on preserved lots as well. They have some that are going to be interior units, or they're going to have end units. So in a building, you're going to have 2 end units and 2 interior units, and they're going to be 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and the square footage is 1,395 square feet. So you can pick one of these up for in the $260,000 range, possibly lower. Reach out to me, let's talk. Yeah, I think there's a lot of value here, particularly as I said before with the location. You can even get to downtown Jacksonville in 15 minutes. And I mean downtown, where the high rises are and the Jaguars play and all that stuff. 15 minutes away. All right, let's get started on our walkthrough. All right, we're gonna get started on our walkthrough. First, I wanna apologize for the lighting in there. They don't have all of the circuitry ready to go on the electrical panel, but again, this is a construction site. These are gonna be finished very quickly and very soon. And it's kind of hot today, no joking. It's gonna rain probably in about 30 minutes. Kind of humid. What can I say? You know what it's like in the summer, right? Here we go. All right, there's your electrical panel. You'll have a electric garage door opener there. There's your hot water heater. Got a handy bumper block to keep you from going too far when you're in the garage. And I've seen people add shelving in these single car garage, and you can actually get quite a bit of storage out of this wall space. So Consider that thought. All right, coming inside, there's your front door. Nice transom window above. They do have smart locks. This is going to be vinyl flooring on the first level here. Also in the bathrooms, you've got quartz counters in the kitchen. They do include the refrigerator, oven, microwave, and I think they might even include the washer and dryer. We could probably negotiate that as well. But you've got white shaker cabinets. Nice undermount sink. Nice plumbing fixtures here in the kitchen, gooseneck. There's your powder room right here. This is your open floor plan in your main living area here on the first floor. Nice sliding glass door out onto your back patio. We're gonna head upstairs. So you have carpet on the floor, in the bedrooms and the hallways. This is the primary bedroom. Got a walk-in closet. Quartz counters. Nice walk-in shower, easy to take care of. This will be where your washer and dryer hookups are. And we can probably negotiate you getting a washer and dryer. This is the guest bathroom here with a tub shower combination. There's your smart thermostat, mechanical closet. Here's bedroom number 2. And bedroom number 3. I hope you enjoyed this tour of this quick move-in Greyson townhome by DR Horton here at the Avalon Place townhome community on the north side of Jacksonville, Florida. Remember, location, 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 conveniently located 30 minutes from Naval Air Station, Jacksonville, Kings Bay Naval Station, and Mayport Naval Station as well. Reach out to me. We're going to put my phone number and my email up on the screen. Give me a call, give me a text, 904-615-6713. Whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, reach out to me. I'm always happy to help you make a smooth move to Jacksonville. And until next time, I hope to see you around Jacks.